Learn English with Yourinstill.
Good morning, students. How are you today?
Good morning, teacher. We are fine.
Did you all complete your homework?
Yes, teacher. We completed it.
That's good. Did anyone face difficulty?
Yes. One question was confusing.
Which question was confusing for you?
The last grammar question.
All right, I will explain it again.
Thank you, teacher.
Did you revise yesterday's lesson?
Yes, we revised it at home.
Can someone tell me yesterday's topic?
We studied parts of speech.
Excellent. Can you give an example of a noun?
Yes, school is a noun.
Very good answer. Do you enjoy grammar lessons?
Sometimes, but they are challenging.
Challenges help us grow. Do you agree?
Yes, teacher. They help us improve.
Do you read English books at home?
Yes, we read storybooks.
Which type of stories do you like?
We like adventure and mystery stories.
Those stories help improve vocabulary.
Yes, we learn new words from them.
Do you watch English movies or videos?
Yes, we watch with subtitles.
That is a good learning method.
It helps us understand pronunciation.
Do you feel confident speaking English?
Sometimes, but we feel shy.
Confidence comes with practice. Will you try speaking more?
Yes, we will try.
Do you participate in class discussions?
Yes, we enjoy sharing ideas.
That improves communication skills.
Yes, teacher. It makes learning fun.
Are you ready for tomorrow's quiz?
Yes, we are preparing for it.
Do you need help before the quiz?
Yes, revision of one topic would help.
Sure, we will revise it together.
Thank you, teacher.
Why do you think English is important?
Because it helps us communicate globally.
That is a thoughtful answer.
Thank you, teacher.
Do you practice English with friends?
Yes, we practice during break time.
That is a fun way to learn.
Yes, it feels enjoyable.
Would you like to join the English debate club?
Yes, we would love to join.
It will improve your confidence and fluency.
We are excited to join.
Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Yes, it was very interesting.
What was your favorite activity today?
The reading and discussion activity.
I am happy you enjoyed it.
Thank you for teaching in an interesting way.
Always remember, learning English requires practice.
Yes, teacher. We will practice daily.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.